My name is Dan Brust, and my interests are my children. A big part of my passion is a lot of this school stuff. I like being involved in what's going on in their schools and helping out where I can. So what motivates me to spend so much of my time volunteering? I think it's an interesting question. Initially started back around 2017. I joined the Early Childhood Advisory Council because we were taking part in the Early Childhood Family Education Program. I wanted to feel more comfortable with what was going on in this district. And so, a big motivating factor was just knowing more about the inner workings of the school system. And it showed me what a big difference volunteers can make. Each of us tends to do a very small amount, but when we combine together a whole council of people, I think we can make a pretty big difference together. And it makes us all feel better about what our children are doing here in this district. How do I find the time? I am on quite a few councils now here in this district. So we got the Early Childhood Advisory Council, Community Education Advisory Council, and now over at Justice Allen Page Elementary, we've launched the Family Teacher Organization there, and I'm currently the treasurer over there. And I recently found our curriculum committee, essentially, for the district, and so I sent off a request hoping to be roped into that. I've met a lot of other volunteers in the district who many are doing much more than I am, and I'm amazed by the fact that they are able to find the time to do this stuff. And so I figure if they can find the time, so can I, right? You sort of sacrifice some stuff here and there. You spend some of your nights writing up tax documents for a new FTO versus, watching a movie or something. But the difference you make, I think, is just so rewarding that, you push this thing off over here and you delay that thing over there, and just sort of make it work. For the early learning program, we do run a fundraiser every year. We're able to take that money and directly get it back to our classrooms, our students. We fund our events throughout the year. We fund various equipment. Every time I would go into the classroom with my children, we would walk past this cart of equipment we bought, and I would say, that's the equipment that we just bought from running that fundraiser. And so you see a direct impact in it. It's a good feeling. We typically present these Excel Awards through the Community Education Advisory Council. It's something we've been doing for quite a few years now. This year, it turns out I am a recipient. I am actually very honored to be receiving this award, especially the award I'm receiving, the Bette Jayne Haak Award, because Bette Jayne was a huge part of our council for 40 years. She was the first woman member of the school board here in this district. And so this award is meant to represent someone who really has committed themselves to our district like she did. And I am nowhere near her level by any means, but I'm completely honored and blown away. I told him I was flabbergasted. We had our selection committee where we go through the nominations, we choose who's going to win the awards. They had to put together a special second selection committee to select me as the recipient of this one. So yeah, it's an honor. Honestly, I feel like there's a lot more people who are much more deserving of this award. Whether it's the mother who ran the Cowern parent-teacher group last year, single-handedly, basically, after coming out of COVID, kept it going all on her own. Or it's the mother of 4 who is our superstar leader of our family teacher organization over at Justice Page. She was also the leader of the Early Childhood Council for years, superstar. The head of community education who came in right before COVID hit and weathered the storm and got us through along with all of her staff. There's the early learning staff who I probably owe the most to in my involvement. It's a great district. Everywhere I look, I find another great person. I meet another great person who's doing great things. And again, I'll just send out a plea that we'll take all the volunteers we can get, any level of involvement from 0 to 10. Thank you.